and welcome to our channel. My name is Tiffany, and today Hubby is going to show you how he put together the 3D printer and a few other things that go along with it. But watch me as I use some YouTube magic and show you almost 3 hours of a build in only moments.
Okay, let's see what happens. Fans kicked on. Okay. Ender 3 is ready. We are homed.
Woohoo! As you see, everybody, I zoomed in so you guys could see it.
Though it's not the greatest home. But here we go. That's home. The fan's really running.
Yeah.
This fan's not. It's not that hot yet. Okay. Okay, let's see. Ender 3 software, hardware 4.2.2.
That's good. Yay!
You have to do that.
Hmm?
Adjust home offsets. Yeah, I can't test the extruder until the hot end's heated up, but I don't want to heat it up right now.
Yeah.
So far, we are up and running.
Yay!
And actually, there is not as many settings. This is not difficult to figure out.
Well, that's awesome.
Well, there we go. That fan's running. These fans are running.
So there we go. It's all put together.
Okay. Just got to do some wire straightening. Yeah, I think we're definitely going to want to chain, at least for these two. I'm going to fill in the hotbed's not going to be needed.
Yeah.
There we go. It's running.
So there you go, everybody. You can see he's got it all up and running and all homed out. So next will be to do a test print.
Yep. Okay, well, we're just going to finish setting up the printer here. We're going to turn her on and get it all leveled up. Leveling it out at all four corners in the center it just grabs the paper under the nozzle, which yeah, see, and I had them all, but then as soon as I hit that last one, some went out of alignment again. Okay, now it's time to check on or set the filament. I'm gonna pull this out so we can measure it. And being that we're going to be using green for the one, we'll start off with green. That's white. So this should be green. There we are. There's our green filament. Okay, so now we'll just give this, I'll pop this open. Oh, let's keep that. I'll put that in the Ziploc. Okay, there's our green filament. Oh, I put this on backwards. I'd rather it the other way. Okay. It's now going to run it through here. Wait a minute, these numbers don't make any sense. Oh, shoot. One issue is that this thing thinks it's PLA. This is not PLA. I should be trying to do my print. Okay. That's where I think we're going wrong, so. But we'll get her heated back up. And then we'll try my print. Make sure that's working. Yeah, we got to remember it's a different filament. Settings could have been wrong. Okay, we're heating back up. Why does it say 130? I don't want 130. What? Did I only put it to 130? Oops. I did. I meant 230. Okay, now we're getting heated up, and we'll try this print again, a different print, but we'll give it a try here in a sec. Just about there. Bed temp's only a couple degrees off, so I'm about to try again. Well, some filament did come out, so that's a good sign. Oh yeah, because when I fired up that print, it would have changed the temperatures and dropped them down, which would have caused problems too. Okay, we're heated up. Let's see. Let's print off my tablet bar. Here we go. Let's try it. Bed cooling? What are you doing? Extruder heating. Oh, 10 degrees too low. No. Where are you going? Oh, I hope this is strong enough. Come see. It so far it looks like it's printing okay. I may have wanted to make it a little bit bigger, but it's going.
Oh, that is so
I don't know why it did this line over here first, because it's that rounded. Yes, that's normal.
Yeah.
But why it did it over there, I don't know. But Okay. Yeah, there we go. It's the last little bit. And we are done. Why'd you do that? Okay, well, there we go. The print is done.
Yay!
So now the machine is automatically cooling down. Let's pull this pad off of here. You want to grab the camera? Ooh, hot. Maybe hot. There we go. Print is done. We lost the cutout. Okay. There we are. I'll see if we'll get this part off. See how tough it is. Oh yeah, that's tough. Hot. Oh. It is tough. Okay, that's why they give you a scraper.
It does. It comes with a scraper tool. So guys, gonna go grab that. Well, we just kind of look at that. Isn't that kind of cool, guys?
It's just a regular scraper, but
Oh, it's like a
trying.
putty scraper.
It is.
Putty knife.
Oh, I should have probably left that in there, but oh. Okay, I'm not concerned about bedded teeth. Oh. There we go. Fly away.
I'll grab it. All right. Here you go.
Okay, so let's see our part. Yeah, a little bit of trails there, but not bad at all.
Oh, printers usually.
There we go. That looks pretty good. And you can see the seams are all over the place, which is how I had it set. Feels good and strong. A little weak there. I may have to print a new one, and those might be a little thin. But there we go.
There you are, everybody. There's our little part.
I might even make it like a triangle.
Yeah, but there you go, everybody. You get to see what he made today with the 3D printer. Have a few little tweaks we gotta do.
Yep, this is just version 1.
I was just saying, all in all, this is trial and error.
Why did you go up and then back down?